Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over how to add, edit, and delete exam questions and answers. First, you'll want to locate the training record that you want to add an exam for. Go to Training, View Edit, and click on the training title. Click on the Exam Questions tab, then on View Exam Questions. You can start typing in the question number, then typing in or pasting in a question. Click on Add. You can proceed to adding a second question, or if you would like to add answers to the first question, you can click on the question name or number. Click on Add Answers. On this screen, you can type in a letter answer and the answer itself. Assign a point value greater than 0 for any of your correct answers. The screen will then reset for you to enter the next answer. For the incorrect answer, type in 0 for the point value. You can add on any additional questions if you would like, or if you're all set, you can go back to question detail. You can go back to the list of questions at the bottom if you would like to enter another question. For this particular question, we will be adding an image. So I'm going to be asking a question regarding the image that we'll be uploading. When you're done adding the second question, click on Add, then click on the question or the question number to add the image and associated answers. We will click on Add Answers. Select a letter answer and type in the answer below. And a point value. This will be the incorrect answer, so I will put 0 for the points. Add answer and move on to adding the next answer. This will also be the incorrect answer, so I'm going to put 0 for the points. And move on to letter answer C. This will be the correct answer, so I will assign 100 points to this answer. As long as the answer is the correct answer has a point value greater than 0, it will be considered the correct answer. I'm all set here, so I can go back to question detail. And now I can upload an image by clicking on the upload image link. Choose File, select the file to upload, and click on Open. Click Upload, then back to question detail. Now we have our question, our image, and the answers that pertain to the uploaded image. If you need to add any more questions, you can go back to a list of questions and type in question number 3, as well as the question. If you need to edit a question, simply go to click on the question or the question number and edit the question in the question field. Don't forget to click on Save Changes once you've made the required changes, and you're all set. If you need to delete a question, simply click on the Delete Question button and confirm deletion. If you click there on accident, you can always click on Back to Question Detail. If you need to edit a answer, click on the letter or the answer itself make any needed changes to the answer, the points, or the letter, and click on Save Changes. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.